Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm doing a collaboration with at least 8 other people. I don't know who all's in it. All I know is that the dude at the Dude's Kitchen and Grill, he started this, and Patrick over at Patty Joe's Cooking, he's going to be in this. And just click on the hashtag #SlackinCheese, and you'll see all the other people that are in this. I'll put all their links down below if I find out what they are. But anyway, so this should be a pretty good collaboration. Yes, we're making mac and cheese. I'm gonna do it slacker style. I mean, it's gonna be so easy. Anybody can do it. Even the guy that's gonna make it can make it. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the Pit Boss 1100. I'm using Kingsford 100% hickory pellets. And here's our ingredients. I'm sure Karen at In the Kitchen with Karen will love this. Freshly shredded sharp white cheddar, freshly shredded Monterey Jack, and cheddar. Okay, 1 pound of elbow macaroni, and of course, since it's you know, Man Kitchen Recipes in New Mexico, I'm gonna have a cup, maybe more, of finely chopped hatch green chilies. We're gonna be using some heavy cream, vitamin D milk, whole milk, and I'm also going to use some bacon. So, I mean, it's got to be good if it's got green chilies and bacon in it. Okay, so when I said I wasn't going to be making it, I'm going to let the biggest slacker I know, aside from the dude at the Dude's Kitchen, make this. So, you guys ready to see who's going to make this? Come on over. Hey everyone, I'm Brad. The better half of Man Kitchen Recipes. Yep. Just came back from hanging out with the dude at the Dude's Kitchen. Jabbers. Yep. I'm gonna get this bacon. We had a great time on this pan. And I guess I get to make this bacon ready. He says it's so easy. I can make it. Ooh, first thing you gotta do is pour in a whole box of macaroni. Sure. Like this. How hard is this? How hard is this? I mean, I'm a slacker. I can do this. Okay. After that, you want to put in almost all the cheese. All of this. Just leave a little bit of that Monterey Jack and cheddar. How much do I gotta save? We'll put that on the top later on. Yes, that's good. Okay. Yeah. Good job. I can do it. You can. Okay. All the white sharp cheddar. All the white. Okay. Okay. White sharp cheddar. Okay. Now, what I need you to do is pour the green chili on there. Yes, just like that. Chili. Yeah, this is doesn't have green chili. I miss green chili. Okay, now I'm going to need you to all of this milk. Pour. We need 5 cups of the whole milk. So just pour that whole container in, and in this bowl here we got another cup. That'll make 5 cups. Oh, and this. Okay. Okay. That's a deep dish. Okay, so now we're going to use whipping cream. Heavy cream. So we're only going to need 3 cups of that, so I need you to pour 1 cup of that out into this like the sound of 1 cup bowl. Okay. Oh, son of a gun. Are you kidding? Okay, minus 1 cup. Oh, you're something else. So 3 cups of heavy cream. Okay, that's it? That ain't it. That ain't it, because you know what I got. I just happen to have this glass, and it's going to be perfect for that heavy cream. Let me move that over a little bit. Let me move this over here. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Hey. All right. Okay. First, let me get this mixed up. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to go put it in the grill. How hard is this? Okay, I'll just put this in here right here. All right. How's that? Okay. Well, then I'm going to put the bacon in right here. Got this little cast iron tray, but I put it on foil, so Hopefully it'll be for easy cleanup. All right, we'll see you in an hour. I'm going to show these guys how to make a white
Ukrainian? What is that?
Yes, a white Ukrainian. We don't say the R word here, the white R. It's now a white Ukrainian. Me and the dude decided. So here's how you make it right here. You got to have it.
Well,
cup of ice,
that's pretty
nice
good
craft ice cubes.
Good job. The dude slacking together.
Let me get in there. Okay. I love this little table he's got.
Pretty good.
We got vodka, we got Kahlua, and we got heavy whipping cream. So, you know, we're just going to put some vodka in there. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yes, sir, white Ukrainian. Okay, I'm going to get some Kahlua. That's all right, we don't want to put too much. We have to leave a little bit of room for the cream. It's pretty convenient that we had some whipping cream available.
Of course.
We're going to top that with some whipping cream.
Pretty good,
Look at there. Did the dude teach me right? Or did the dude teach me right? Well, I guess I can give it a gentle stir. This is Deuterino's favorite drink. He taught me how to make them. Cheers. Of course. Hey, where'd you get that jacket? Oh, you just noticed my jacket?
Well, there's one in your closet.
I do? I'll be right back. Of course. There. Pretty good. Now we're twinsies.
All right.
Of course, looks better on me, but hey, thank you. I like it a lot. I'm just going to stand here and drink my drink. The Mrs. Dude is awesome.
Oh,
she woke me up this afternoon.
Mrs. Dude, she's
I was
really
dead
sweet.
asleep. She hauled me in the car.
Yep, woke
she
you
drove
up
me
after
to the
noon,
bus
huh?
station. Bought
Drove
me a
you to
bus
the,
ticket,
bus
one
station?
way to here.
One-way
here I
ticket.
am.
Okay, you don't think she was just trying to get rid of you?
No, I'm just saying. Okay, now that we got the mac and cheese and the Pit Boss and the bacon, that bacon's going to go right along with it. I'm hoping it's done. If it's not, so how long do we got to wait for this? That's going to go for 1 hour. Okay. Yes, 1 hour. And then we're going to stir it up, and then we're going to let it go for another hour, hour and a half.
Oh, wait.
And then we're doing it at 250, by the way. And then we're going to crumble up the bacon. We're going to mix the bacon in there as well. And then we'll put cheese on top. Maybe if we save a little extra bacon, we put it on top and let it go for another 30 minutes, and we should be done. And that's it. And then how easy it is. Yep. You just drink your White Russian. Wait, you know. I'll get one later. All right. Well, we'll be back. Okay, just a quick update. I thought that pan was a little too big, so I put it in this smaller pan to fill it up. We didn't need that big giant pan, so it's only been about 10 minutes, so we'll see you in about 50. Okay, it's been 1 hour. We're going to get this mixed up. We're going to let it go for another hour, and we'll check it. Let's get that mixed up. Okay, got to be careful here. Look at that. Now, I did also add some SPG, about a tablespoon. You want to scrape the bottom, make sure you don't have any sticking at the bottom. Look at that bacon. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to go 1 more hour, but I think I'm going to move this over here. It's a little less hot over there. Okay, it's looking really good so far. All right. I'm going to move this. We're going to move this. Look how good that looks over here. We'll be back. I'm going to pull that off in a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 more minutes. I'm going to get this bacon off of here. Then we're going to get this chopped up and into the mac and cheese. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, man. Okay, it's been another 30 minutes. Let's give it a look. Look at that. Okay, that looks like we're just about there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is add our bacon, our
bacon bits. I think I'm going to save a few for the top. Okay. Got mixed in real well. Going with some more cheese. Finish it off with some bacon. Okay, what do you think?
Look at that. We're gonna have to come back in about 5 or 10 minutes. Let that cheese melt. We'll be right back.
In about 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Looks pretty darn good to me. Let's pull this thing out of here. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're gonna let this cool off a little bit, and I'm gonna go grab Brad, and we'll come out here and take a taste test for you.
Okay, let me get a little bit of this out for me and Brad. Oh, man. Smells amazing. Okay, time for a taste test. Okay, it definitely looks amazing. Yep, does smell amazing, right, Brett and Adam? Okay, you ready? Man. All right, man, let's get a little bit of everything in here. Got to get some of that green chili. Cheers. Man, that is good.
Gosh,
You're
I
right.
make the best
good.
mac and cheese. Slack and cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
All right.
my gosh.
Okay, everyone. I'm going to leave the recipe for this down below. Don't forget to hit the hashtag Slack and Cheese. See all the other great cooks. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.